All right, friends, so I'm just going over what we will be doing with our kind of classwork today that we will be doing one-on-one. That you will be doing these subtraction problems. All of these subtractions are no regrouping, that you have more on top, so there is no need to stop. And that once you have your difference or the answer to your subtraction problem, you are going to check it. And so we're going to use the last one. We are doing all of these in class. I'm recording this before, and then I'm going to show you exactly what you should do when you are checking your problem, how to solve this problem. So we have the problem 59 minus 26. Well, when I look in my ones place, 9 and 6, 9 is a larger number, more on top, there is no need to stop. So 9 minus 6 is 3. That gave me the answer of 3. In my tens place, I have a 5 and a 2. There is more on top, so there's no need to stop. 5 minus 2 is also going to equal 33. So you get the number 33, and then we're going to use our color coding to help us check this problem. I do want you to get in the habit of checking even though you're at home. This is an essential skill to make sure that you are right with your problems. When you get to those bigger numbers, it is very easy to miss a problem by one number wrong in the tens place or the hundreds place or the thousands place. So gaining the skill of checking your subtraction or checking your addition as well as your multiplication and division is very essential or important. Essential is a synonym for the word important. So please notice how our answers are aligned in blue as well as our question marks at the top are aligned in blue. Ms. Johnson wants you to click on those question marks and put the same exact answer in blue. 33. So we have 33 at the bottom at our answer. So this is our 59 is our first number, 26 is our second number, and 33 is our third number. So when we check it, we do the opposite. We do the inverse. 33 is now going to be at the top, and then we add 26. We subtracted 26 before. Now we're going to add that 26. And if everything goes right, we should get our top number. All right, so let's check it out. 3 plus 6 will equal 9. All right, in our ones place, that's looking good. And then 3 plus 2 is 5. 5, 9. Is that what we have at the top? Absolutely. So notice how each of our numbers, that they almost like cross over to have a pair. That we have 33 at the bottom, then we have 33 at the top. 26 in the middle, 26 in the middle, and then we have 59 at the top here and 59 at the bottom there. So all of your numbers should be syncing or look the same. When you come here, whatever your answer is for this bottom one will be the number that you carry up to the top. That we have our 1, 2, 3 numbers, and then when you check it, it's going to be 3, 2, 1. With you changing your operation, we go from that minus into that plus because addition is the inverse operation or that opposite operation than your subtraction. All right, so I hope that this is helpful. We have done most of these in class. We are doing our last half afterwards before it is time to go. So if you do need any help, you can come from 12 o'clock to 12:05. I will be here. And I hope you have a wonderful day.